Welcome back to the channel, guys, where we discuss everything smart home technology. And today I'll be sharing with you 5 Amazon Alexa features and settings that you should definitely know about. Grab your phones, grab your iPads, and let's go check it out. Number 1, changing the wake word. By default, the keyword to wake your device up is Alexa. However, there are a few other options available to you via the Amazon Alexa app that you can choose from. Open the Alexa app, go to Devices at the bottom. At the top left, select Echo and Alexa. From here, select the Echo device you would like to modify. Go to Settings in the top right corner. Now scroll down to wake word. There are 6 options to choose from: Alexa, Amazon, Computer, Echo, Ziggy, or Hey Santa. Computer, is my main entrance locked?
Checking. Hang on. The main entrance is locked.
Number 2, drop-in mode. Drop-in mode allows all your Alexa devices to communicate to each other. And this communication can be done through video calls or through audio calls. Navigate to Devices at the bottom. Then select Echo and Alexa. From here, select the device to modify. Then go to Settings in the top right. Scroll down to Communications. And right there at the bottom, go ahead and select Drop-in. From here, there are 3 options: on, off, or My Household. What's really good about drop-in mode is that not only can it be used to make phone calls in between Alexa devices or video calls, but you can also utilize it for security purposes while you're away from home. Number 3, announcements. This allows you to turn your Echo devices into an intercom system. Now, from the Alexa app, navigate to the device you would like to modify. Go to Settings in the top right corner. Scroll down to Communications. From here, you can enable or disable announcements. Number 4, follow-up mode. If you've ever wanted to give Alexa multiple commands, one after the other, without saying the wake word before each command, pay close attention. Go to Devices, Echo and Alexa, select the device, then go to Settings. From here, scroll down to Follow Up. Now you can turn it on or off. And finally, at number 5, let's take a look at how to change the name of your Echo devices. That way you'll have a unique name for each and every device. From your Alexa app, go ahead and hit Devices at the bottom. Then select Echo and Alexa. From here, scroll through and select the device you would like to modify. Then right beneath the name, you'll see Edit. Go ahead and click it. Now you can type whatever name you like. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart home product reviews.